Mwah. Mwah. You give Elmo a kiss? It's so nice. Do you want that for your birthday? A big Elmo balloon? Yeah, that one. That's the one I'm gonna get you. I can't not get it for you now. Now that you kissed it 100 times. Aw, that's so nice, Anthem. That's so nice. That's really nice. You telling us about that?